everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download PocketGuard application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store from your iPhone. Also make sure that you are connected to a stable internet. Now go to the search box at the top and type in PocketGuard and search. Look for this application that says PocketGuard Money and Bill Tracker. Tap on the Get button to start downloading PocketGuard application on your iPhone. PocketGuard is a budgeting app that helps you take control of your finances. It offers features to track your income and expenses, create a budget, and find ways to save money. So that's how you can easily download PocketGuard on your iPhone in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.